Good morning, tropa! So this video is not for the Filipinos or the Asian people. This is for the foreign country, for the foreign people that goes here in the Philippines. If you are a foreigner, you're coming here in the Philippines, so I'll show you how to use your hand when you are eating here in the Philippines or in other Asian countries like Vietnam and Thailand. So for today's video, I have a fish and of course, rice. So I'll show you how to use your hands, not spoon, not chopstick, your hands. So we have a rice. All you have to do is first you get a portion of rice and then you squeeze it. Squeeze. Then, like this. Ayan. And then after that, after you squeeze it, you put it in your mouth using your thumb. Your thumb will be the pusher. Pusher. Look, look. It's moving, right? This will be the pusher that will help you, the rice, to come in your mouth. Come on. Look. Open your mouth and then you use your thumb to push the rice. Yeah. That is the right way how to use your hand when you're eating here in the Philippines. Not like this, not no. You just have to squeeze a small portion of rice like this.
Okay.
And then your thumb will be your pusher. After that, you get some of the fish. Boom! And it's done. So there you have it, tropa. Another walang kwenta content. Ni Buti pa si Tonton. Peace. Bye-bye.